They book their place in the group stage of that competition.
Yeah, Otavio, paid a lot of money for him. I'm excited.
His way. The smile did emerge in the last few moments when as I've already mentioned, they booked their place in Asia's elite competition, a competition which they will. So Al Nassr in their familiar strip. Al Fath, despite penalty away by Qasem Lajami, but not conclusively. Al Khaibari. An opportunity here as Teo seeks to get in behind. Oh! And they've got men over here. Al Nassr. Just forced wide a little. Oh!
He just gets in front of his marker, but he can't direct the header on target. It just overhits the ball, but it's a good ball into the box. You see, Otavio is. It's a good chance that is Dan.
Al-Ghanem and Mane. Ronaldo's pulled away and found so much space.
Oh, yeah, it's a tight one. I think his knee's just offside, so it's the right decision from the linesman. This one where Sadio Mane picks out Cristiano Ronaldo. I think he just got.
Might have been tempted for a moment to unleash, but he brings Batna into proceedings here. Really fit.
He does well. He gets half a yard, he flashes it, and no one can get on the end of it. But the two wide men in Teo and Batna. They need to get possession. It's different with.
Denier paying real attention to Ronaldo. And they've created a bit of trouble of their own making here. Otavio to play it in. Ronaldo.
He's about 12 yards out. It's a difficult header, but Otavio does ever so. That may be half a chance for Cristiano Ronaldo. You know.
Really keen to commit players. It's a fabulous run by Garib.
This run from Garib is outstanding. Look at his great control. He gets lucky there, but look, skips past him, and you're thinking he just did. And Sadio Mane, he tried, but good defending.
Al Khaibari, he's surrounded by some 30-something superstars. He's 26 himself. Ronaldo.
From Brozovic, a great little touch around the corner to Cristiano Ronaldo, and you're thinking, you can see here, great touch from Brozovic, and then he's just looking half a yard there, Cristiano.
He'll bring Ronaldo into it, setting his sights again.
He's causing all kinds of problems. I know we talk about all these. Exactly.
Here's Brozovic with a kick, taking the low road. Didn't feature when they last met, which was on the last day of last season. Now Nassr won 3-0. Brozovic, Conan to Garib. And it has Conan kindly. And the slip from the defender.
And gets across it, and he thinks there's going to be a touch. He kind of look back at Jason Denier, but I don't think there's a big enough touch. But he's not happy. He's never happy when nothing don't go his way. But I can see why, because it's good play down.
Oh, and into the side net.
See here, Otavio, it's a difficult skill. It's so, yeah, it was good play. Hanan down that right 10 row, making them run.
Plenty of noise from those. Brozovic, and eventually the shot comes from Otavio.
Plays from Conan, and Brozovic just sets it for him, and he's trying to bend it. Yeah, obviously they're disappointed. It was a corner, but it's good play.
Suggests a deflection.
Yeah, he wants a corner. He's not happy. Ronaldo's not happy. Brozovic.
Out to Teo. Ryan with a useful-looking cross, and an important header that. Al-Ghanem makes his way onto the scene and provides the delivery, and Ronaldo.
I think, Dan, if you're going to get to see a replay, it's a great play, and it's all down that road.
Tross is in disagreement because he's been punished for that chance.
But I just think he mistimes his jump completely, Cristiano Ronaldo.
Here's Batna, able to go on the outside. There's a sense of hesitation from him, but here's Mane now. Mane tees up Ronaldo. Great reaction from that. Ronaldo will feel that should be 1-0.
Good save, but you can see Sadio Mane beats his defender, and I just don't think if Ronaldo.
Brozovic, Ronaldo, lovely flick, brilliant. Mane. Absolute delight. And they've really got this game.
Ronaldo is outrageous, and the finish from Sadio Mane is finished. But look at Brozovic, great ball into Ronaldo. The touch is fantastic, and the finish from Mane is over Rina. It's a fantastic, brilliant. He's onside, looking at the replay there. But once he gets into that, I was thinking just slot it. But it's all about Cristiano Ronaldo's touch, and once Sadio Mane gets into that, he's got the confidence to just dink it into that far corner. A lot of their top players there. The ball in from Brozovic is brilliant because he put around the corner, and that's what he done. The pace of the pass is brilliant. Ronaldo can first time it, and that's what Ronaldo's
goal of the season in the league, and it may come now. Is this Ronaldo's moment?
Yeah, it's good play there by Otavio, and he breaks, and you're just thinking with his left foot.
Not yet.
No, and he's looking at the pitch, and you know what? I'm not in the mood at the moment. El Fath need to control it and take.
It's where the big money's going, isn't it?
That's what I'm saying. It is, yeah.
Ronaldo.
Balls into the box. It's Sultan again down that right-hand side, and that first league goal is coming. It's definitely coming.
Beaming smile from the coach. Sing tips.
Definitely.
Oh, he's been gifted it here, Ronaldo, and Mane may yet take it. Denier in the nick of time there.
Well, he definitely wasn't saying to play out from the back like that and gift it to Ronaldo and Sadio Mane, because you.
Al-Ghanem, and now can he provide the quality?
What he wants.
Brozovic. Hurry. Back in there, Al-Ghanem. And Ronaldo this time! Season.
There goes the crowd with that famous celebration. But you know it was on your Sultan down that right-hand side. That has been outstanding. What a ball that is. That is saying to me, go and head me into the head. Does ever so well. I've been impressed with him on the left-hand side, but great touch. And he just stands the ball up. It's a fantastic in this league this season, in the Saudi league this season, because they're brilliant. And it is a mountain now.
Everest. 7 minutes, although a beautiful assist. Now his name is on the score sheet. And take exactly that, Mane. Ronaldo on his feet now. What's he going to do with those feet?
The intricate play that they've got between the four of them is outstanding.
Sultan Al-Ghanem, Mane, off Denier. Petros was up the pitch too often. Brozovic with a good-looking. Garib, those dancing feet.
Your game instantly gets better. Look, Conan does well. Garib there, great for it.
Idolised the great Juan Roman Riquelme. In the end, helped in. Albarracán with a chance here.
Signaling to the linesman straight away. He's offside, but you've got to let the game go. And obviously,
Otavio. Sultan Al-Ghanem and Denier.
Would have been offside, but it's good defending from Jason Denier.
Lajami grateful, but I can. Teo, and now it's Batna.
To his left foot, and you can see Conan is good defending there.
Garib, another terrific run. Oh.
He just couldn't control it.
Conan, Mane attacking. Little flick by Otavio, Mane.
Down that right-hand side again. So
in the top division there. Garib. Oof.
Otavio, but he tried a clever little back heel.
Well, we'll see what happens here. Garib has been sprung here. He's onside, and an opportunity for Ronaldo.
It's brilliant from Garib. I knew you were going to ask him something like that. And it was great timing from Brozovic. I think Brozovic's ball in is he got the composure. He sure has. Gives it to Ronaldo. Fantastic play. Brilliant.
Yeah. Coolness of head with a very straightforward finish for him. And as a contest, it's well and
enough now, though. I want my hat-trick for sure. But Garib on that left-hand side has been brilliant.
Well, the Al Nassr supporters did witness them beat. Can he bring it down? Ronaldo.
Too many. Don't know where he's going to put them on.
Here is Ronaldo. Oh. Here's Batna.
Yeah, you can see here he does well.
Just the Al Nassr intensity dropping a little, which might open the door. But maybe the first opportunity for him. Kept his head. Oh, and an opportunity, which is...
It's a great opportunity from Zella here. Good save there, and he should be hitting the target. His technique's all wrong, and he blazes over. And that was a great opportunity. I didn't...
Today, although he has played in the... to show his mettle. Oh, it's a terrific driving run. Al-Khaibari in the right place, but
it's good defending in the end.
So it came off from Al-Ghanemi. It's Al-Harbi, the centre-back. And Luis Castro hasn't been tempted yet to be on the receiving
end. No way.
Look, never mind the words.
Exactly.
Karoub is in behind. Yes. And again, away from one. You can afford to be philosophical about it.
Yeah, it's a great little flip-flap there. Goes through the defender's leg, is brilliant. Ooh, then he wants.
It's Conan. Mane, Conan. They're in behind again. Ronaldo! He's the man of the match. Otavio. And here's Ronaldo. Brozovic.
Yeah, so talented Otavio. Otavio stands it up to Ronaldo.
Try to make an inroad. Zelarayan has a little bit of space to work with.
Table now, after this result.
Zelarayan's delivery. And
this evening as well.
Well, here's Teo. What an opportunity for Zelarayan!
He's gone for too much power.
Mane!
Punished at the other end, and it's brilliant finish, and he does the Ronaldo celebrations.
And Sadio Mane sticking it away beautifully to make it 4.
And Gharabi again down that left-hand side. Sadio Mane out, and the head is fantastic. Mina in goal's got no chance. What a fantastic that header. Head it back where you come. If that falls to Ronaldo, it's been outstanding. Absolutely.
Abbas Al Hassan, this is Teo. Mane, well, we talked about Ronaldo hat-trick hunting. And the young gun goes for it. Oh, and it might fall this time to Zelarayan, and it must!
He'll be reliving this all night when he's trying to sleep tonight. I just got control. It's good play, and can he pick him out? Yes, he can, and look, he's just leaning.
Well, delight with his contribution, and no wonder. Useful looking run, and to dig it out. Khalid Al-Ghanam. Ronaldo!
He didn't know that, though. Another good opportunity for Christian.
Not able to replace him now. Ronaldo's still in there. Just hasn't happened for Al Fath. I'm not saying it would have been a different game, because they've come largely when the game was already over. Now Bouchal finding Sami Al-Najeh. And now Bouchal, and then he couldn't walk away disappointed, could he? He has the hat-trick.
Yeah, holding his run, you can see him at the back post, and he just, the time, that's what good strikers do, and that's why he's world-class. Brilliant. The tap-ins are the best goals. For me personally, they are the best goals, because that means you make good movement.
Played up to him tonight as well. And he's enjoying the fact that they are as well.
Yeah, he's enjoying it. He's celebrating.